So let's talk about what is better, butter or coconut oil. Now, as far as cooking goes, they're both really good for cooking. Okay, so I use both of them. Let's look at the fat-soluble vitamins. Butter has a good amount of vitamin A, E, D, and especially K2 if it's from grass-fed cows. So you'd always want to consume butter from grass-fed cows. Kerrygold is a really good type of butter, but there's many others. Now, vitamin A is vital for the immune system. It's good for the vision. It is the key vitamin for your eye. Vitamin E is essential for your heart, for the pituitary gland. This is very important in menopause. And this is also really good to keep your muscles strong. If at any point that you feel like your muscles are weak, especially when you're exercising and you take vitamin E, you'll feel a difference pretty quick in strength and endurance. And then, of course, vitamin D. That's an anti-inflammatory. It's essential for your immune system. It's good for lowering blood pressure, and the list goes on and on and on. And then K2 drives calcium out of the wrong places. It will kind of remove calcium from the soft tissues of the arteries and the joints. It also is involved in the strength of the mitochondria, and it can actually give you endurance when you exercise. Now let's talk about MCT oil. This is medium chain triglycerides. This turns right into ketones. It gives you energy. Okay, so butter only has 8%, but coconut oil has 55%. So coconut oil is the winner on that level. And MCT oil is really good for cognitive function, quick energy, and especially if you're just starting out with keto and you want ketones really fast. The MCT fats will fill up in your blood, and then your brain will prefer that over glucose. Coconut oil also has something called lauric acid, okay? So that's really good for your immune system. It doesn't have a lot, but it has some. So that's another positive benefit. Now, butter has small chain fatty acid butyrate, okay? This is really good for your blood sugars. It's food for your colon cells. It's also anti-cancer. And as a side note, your microbiome, your friendly bacteria, takes fiber from your vegetables and it converts it into butyrate. So in a cow, they eat the grass, goes into their digestive system, and the microbes then turn it into butyrate. So it ends up in the fat, in the milk, thus the small chain fatty acid. Now, there's a very, very small amount of casein, that's the protein in butter. Not too much. It's almost insignificant. So if there is an allergy that you have, I don't think you'll have a reaction, but I just want to let you know it's in there. So maybe you want to do what's called clarified butter or ghee to have this removed. The question is, which one is healthier? Well, I'm going to go more for the butter right here, but when you're using it for cooking, realize it's going to destroy all these right here, okay? Especially if there's high heat. So if you're cooking, you can use either one, but if you're putting it on your food, this one is healthier. All right, thanks for watching.
Hey, we're back.
With another amazing recipe.
No grains, no sugar, totally keto. There's no suffering in keto.
Absolutely not, Karen.
And it's an immune system builder.
Absolutely, you have to check this out.
I think you should hurry up, watch the recipe, and make it yourself. It's just so easy to be keto.
But is it simple?
It's super simple. We hope you enjoy making it as much as we are enjoying eating it.